Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Smartwatch and Earphones. This product uses a bracelet as a storage method for the headset charging box and has the functions of a bracelet and TWS headset. The bracelet realizes the recording of various sports data of the user. Magnetic Fingertip. The slider is fixed by the current popular strong magnet to avoid the risk of falling off the screw due to vibration and reduce the invasion of the overall appearance. The reference shock absorber design. Underwater drone. The V6S is powered by premium Panasonic batteries that enable extended dive times of up to 6 hours and reduced downtime with a safe and quick charge. Fifish V6S integrates VR smart technology that fully immerses the user. Electric bicycle. The handlebar, body, and pedals can be folded in 3 places, and the folded volume is about 0.25 cubic meters. It can be easily put into the trunk, enter and exit the elevator, the office, and enter and exit every scene in life. Smart coffee machine, automatic coffee grinder, stainless steel body. LED display. Freshly brewed coffee. 3 gears adjust the coffee strength, set according to personal taste. Both coffee beans and coffee powder modes are supported. Hydrogen generator, professional in producing a hydrogen-rich water, made of high borosilicate glass, high quality, and safe to use. A tea only takes 3 minutes to produce a cup of hydrogen-rich water which can be drunk directly. Bluetooth speaker lamp. This multimedia light with the 3 different brightnesses is very good to use as a wireless bedside or reading lamp. The light has a pleasant, slightly warm color temperature. Good companion for living room or bedroom. Magic Keyboard Wrist. Compatible with Apple Magic Wireless Keyboard with numeric keypad. Made from silicone, keyboard wrist rest support delivers comfort and wrist protection. Fashion sense. Make your desk more fashion sense. Random Orbit Sander. This sander provides fast, efficient material removal with 3.0 amps of power, generating 13,000 orbits per minute. The switch is activated by pressing down naturally with the palm of the hand as if the sander is in use. Portable phone holder, multifunctional live show foldable stand, 360-degree adjustable shoot angle, high angle shoot. Double-sided fill light, wireless remote control, convenient and portable vs complex assembling, wireless remote control versus cable connect. Photochromic sunglasses. The polarizer is lens made according to the principle of polarization of light. It is used to remove and filter out the direct light in the beam. so that the light can be put into the visual image of the eye on the track. Smart Pet Door. Easy to install, simple and generous. The quality is very good, using ABS material, large, relatively large size, suitable for a lot of fat cats. 4 major functions. No entry and no exit, can go in and out, only in but not out. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.